Little mama, she my flavor.
Hey, what's up, hello? Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like, hey, what's up?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another hair tutorial for you guys, and the hair that I'm working on today is from Hairvivi. I have nails, so it's really a struggle to like open everything. I usually pack your packages really nice. I'm pretty sure from the title of this video and the thumbnail, you guys already know this wig does have the bangs, and so we have our wig, and it also comes with the bangs you can attach to your unit. So recently Hairvivi started adding the new fake scalp method to your unit. So basically you can wear this wig without a stocking cap underneath, but I do have a lot of hair in my head and I need a stocking cap. But what I usually do, like if I'm wearing a wig like this where it already comes with the fake scalp, I basically just pull my stocking cap back to like halfway of my head. So, and like I said, I do have a lot of hair in my head, so I need something to like hold the hair back there, and bobby pins is just doesn't do it for me. Also, the wigs do come with the adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to whatever tightness you want. Usually I always place my adjustable straps to like the first hook. Okay, so this is pretty much the wig. I'm just trying it on to show you guys what it looks like, and this is actually really nice. It does look a lot more natural with like the whole bald cap underneath it. And this is basically the hair. So before we do that, I'm just going to show you guys the bangs. So we have the light wispy bangs. It also comes with a thicker, this one is a thick wispy band. So I'm not sure if purchasing this unit you'll get the both bangs. I'm pretty sure you either have to pick one out of the two. But yeah, these are the two different bangs. I'm just going to open them and show you guys what it looks like. So this one is the thick one. So here is the thicker bang. And then here we have the light wispy bang. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like now that I went ahead and cut off all that extra lace from around it. It does fit perfectly, and I really love how they added this new fake scalp stuff to the wig, because I literally don't have to add any concealer or any foundation to this, because usually for like my partings and stuff, I usually always have to add my foundation powder because I don't ever bleach my knots. So this is really cool, and I'm just gonna part the rest of it so you guys can see. Like, it literally looks like the knots came bleached. The part is definitely not straight. Okay, so I just switched into a tank top because I feel like the black was contrasting the hair, so you weren't really seeing the true beauty of the hair with the whole black. So okay, so before I do anything or decide whether or not I want to actually like flatten this hair to make it bone straight, I'm actually just going to try one of the bangs. So this is what your bangs look like. It does come with these little combs on the side, and you just open them and literally stick them into the hair. I want it. Figure out where you want it to be placed first. And the other side, you literally just like stick it in and then clip it. So just like that. Little hair from around it and just pull them down. Alright, so this is basically how the bangs look after I attached it to the hair. I think this is a really smart idea because I've had units where I ended up cutting bangs on it. I'm like, damn, I wish like I never had bangs. Like, I wish I could like, you know, revert to like just the regular hairstyle without the bangs. So like when it comes to bangs, it's not something that you want in your face like every day. So having like this extra bang piece gives you the opportunity to like switch up your look without doing really much to it, because you're just adding the bang and it literally looks like a whole new wig. So you cannot tell like the bang is not a part of the unit. So it doesn't look like it came separate. It's like, and it's so undetectable. It's literally undetectable. Like, so the hair itself that I'm wearing is their body wave unit. I think this one is an 18-inch if I'm not mistaken. And the cap size is a medium, and the lace color that I got is a medium brown. Okay, so I actually decided that I wasn't gonna iron it no more, like flat iron it straight. I just added some more curls to the front just to make it a bit more defined. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. I'm not holding down this wig with anything right now except for the adjustable strap that came in the back of it. And you guys, like literally, it feels so tight on my head. Like, it's so snug. And I know for a fact that if I wore this outside, my wig is not going anywhere. So the adjustable strap does really help with like keeping it secured and nice, especially if you want to wear your wig glueless. Now I'm just going to try the light wispy bang, and before I attach it, I'm just going to iron it off camera. Well, off my head basically. I like my bangs to like cover at least like a little piece of my eyebrow, so I'm not gonna put it too far back. Some people like their bang to like be all the way up here. I think that's just like too much, so like right there is fine. What you want to do is just stick the comb in and clip it, and then basically do that on the other side. So this is the light wispy bang, and to be honest, it looks the exact same like the thick one. It's really not much lighter to me, but yeah, this is the light wispy bang, and this is actually really cute. And I love that I could take these bangs off and wear them on like different units. Like you don't have to wear it just on this unit, you can definitely wear it on your other units. With this wig, you don't need a stocking cap, there's no plucking needed, there's no bleaching needed. Like the wig is just, it's made to just be like worn. They prepare this wig for you to where you don't have to do any work. All you gotta do is put the wig on and cut off that lace and you're good to go. I like that because it makes my life a lot easier. I don't have to bleach the knots, which I honestly never do, but still I usually always have to put like foundation on my lace to make it look really natural. But this one blended right in with my skin. Like I showed you guys, like you can part this here anywhere and it looks freaking natural, so I really like that. And this removable bang piece is just giving me life because I don't like to have a bang in my face every day. So just the fact that I could take it off and put it on whenever I want is amazing. So I highly recommend Hairvivi for this new look, and I'm really loving it. So the hair itself is amazing. I do have a few more units from them, and the hair is just bomb. I don't have to use any Got2b when I'm wearing their units. Even like with the other wig I have from them, I don't think I've ever used any of this to wear it. Like I just put it on and it doesn't move one bit. And the units are glueless, so you don't have to gel down your wig, you don't have to hold it down with no glue, no freaking Got2b spray. You don't need any of this right here. This, we can throw it away. So I do have a discount code for you guys, that way you guys can save some coins on your units. And yeah, it pretty much brings us to the ending of this mini tutorial. Comment down below and let me know how are you guys feeling this new look. Is it a hit or miss? Definitely share this video with somebody that you think might be interested in a unit like this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.